Today I'm going over my sandwich cakes, top 20 from worst to best. And starting with the Akai sandwich cake, which I found a little bit difficult ingredient. It's a little bit bland. Also the figs were the same. So this doesn't really work in itself, but goes well with granola and maple syrup. Okay, number 19 is this beautiful broccoli sandwich cake, which is great otherwise, but you can't really eat these beans, they're not good. They just made a bendy garden cake. Number 18 is the exotic sandwich cake, and I don't have other reason than that I don't really eat persimmons otherwise, so I wouldn't maybe make this again, but it's a good cake and a good experiment. At number 17, there's this vegan tuna cake, which I probably would make again, but it's just not decoratively impressive, and that's the reason it's number 17, basically. At number 16, there's the Dutch sandwich cake, which is a good tasting cake, but because I live in the Netherlands, it's a little bit common. It's the opposite of the exotic cake reason. It's too common ingredients, and that's why I wouldn't probably make it again. There's no excitement for me, but maybe for someone else. Number 15 is the lentils and black beans sandwich cake, which is delish, but maybe it's just a little bit dry, so maybe I should add some sauce next time. Yeah. Also, the decoration is pretty quickly made, maybe too quick. I should have thought about it more. Although I like the vertical thing, it's something different which I was going for. Number 14 is the salsa sandwich cake, which is very good for a Friday evening, for example, but it's nothing fancy, but I still love it. Anyway, number 13 is the New Year's sandwich cake, which is for wine tasting evening instead of a cheese bladder. It has the coconut-based vegan feta cheese, which is not exactly the most healthiest thing, but it's just for a special evening. Number 12, we have the hummus sandwich cake, which I love the decoration with the onions cut vertically. I thought it was really special. The error I did with this was use the spicy hummus, and it was a little bit overpowering. So I wouldn't use that next time I do this. At number 11, we have the vegan tuna sandwich cake, the first one. And it's very delicious. Everyone who tasted it loved it. I think the decoration got a little bit dark on the sides. Therefore I made the sunny version. So if these two were combined, it would make even better vegan tuna sandwich cake. At number 10, we have the Greek sandwich cake, and I was very inspired to find this plant-based kofta in the supermarket. So I made this like a garden decoration, and yeah, the taste was great. Yeah, I really love this cake. At number 9 is a vegan salmon cake, and number 8 is also the first one, is the second one. And they're both delicious and they look great. And yeah, it's a classic. You can't go wrong with a classic. Number 7 and 6, we have the Mediterranean sandwich cakes. This had maybe too many layers, so this beat this one. But yeah, both are delicious. The minus point is the vegan cheese, although good, not super healthy. So I'm avoiding using those, if it's not at least Nutri-Score. At number 5, the beetroot sandwich cake, which is nutritious and healthy, and it looks nice, so it has all the things. Only thing it's lacking, it's being more fulfilling. You might be still hungry if you eat half of this. At number 4 is the first chestnut sandwich cake. I remember being so inspired finding these chestnuts in the supermarket. It was really a aha moment. So yeah, I really love the whole experience. Number 3, there's the second one, which doesn't have the vegan cheese, which makes it healthier. So yeah, it deserves the number 3 spot. At number 2 is the avocado sandwich cake, which I thought would be number 1 at some point, but then there was another cake that was even better. But I was inspired with this decoration, and the taste is superb, so this is very much loved cake. Yep. Da-da-da-da. Number 1 is the passionate kale. It's perfect because who would have thought about combining passion fruit and kale and thinking it would work? I came up with that myself. So I'm proud of myself and I love the taste, I love the decoration with the heart-shaped apples, which go with the sourness of the passion fruit. It's just like oozing with healthiness. I love it, I love it, love it, love it. Yes, so that's number one, and that was the whole deal, whole top 20. Yep. Thank you very much for watching. This was a good experience because it's good to go over your work sometimes. What things are good, what things could be better, so you can make progress in the future and focus on the things that work and eliminate the things that don't work. At least I hope I have learned something about this.